Today I'm going to show you guys how to do fidget spinner nails. Yes, they spin. It is holidays in Australia, long road trips. So look, fidget spinners are a vibe, but why don't we put it on some nails? Let me show you how to do it. So start by getting some L beads and a little pair of pliers or some cuticle nippers. You just want to cut down the piece of wire just so it's just short enough to be able to put onto the nail with a bead of acrylic. Not too high where it's going to stick and get in the way too much with life, because remember, these are wearable nails, but just enough so that it's sitting up and the fidget spinner can still spin. So I've just placed a bead of clear acrylic. I've placed the bit of wire into the acrylic and just held it for a little bit so I can set. Showing you once I finish the set of nails how to seal the fidget spinner with a little bauble so they won't move. So now I'm just going around here to add a little bit of some gems. So just putting some gem gel. You can watch one of my other videos to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your gems last. And I want to kind of make these a little bit more feminine, because fidget spinners, you know, I mean, they look cool, but let's make it look pretty. So I'm putting some nice turquoise beads to match my gel polish and also the turquoise fidget spinner. Then I like to top it with some beautiful crushed Swarovski crystals, or our crystal pixies as we like to call them, to add a beautiful effect. So you can see here I'm just attaching the little connector ball, which I cut off earlier, with a little bit of glue, and then popped back on and then waited for the glue to dry, and then I just do a little test to make sure I can still spin. You can also put the top of the bauble on with some clear acrylic as well, and then that is it, guys. That is our fidget spinner, and yes, they really spin. Yes, your client can come back in 4 weeks and it's still on. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Comments, questions, ask below, and I shall get back to you.